Hey, I'm Frank, one of Dex's partners at PulseWave Trading. We've got a great new feature that we're telling you about, and it's the free price trigger trade of the week. And this is really a great new addition to our free membership. We've had a free membership for a while now, but it was really boring. I don't know what you got there. It wasn't anything all that exciting. It gave you some free videos and some information, but we thought let's really give people a taste of what PulseWave Trading is about, what it's like to use the price triggers. So as long as you are in agreement with the terms of service of pulsewavetrading.com and recognize that this is for your education and edification and entertainment only and not financial advice, you can use the price trigger reports that we update every weekday evening, every school night, as I like to say, Sunday through Thursday evening. Then this is a fun thing for you to check out. And it's very easy. We're going to update it every night. It's going to be a different tradable instrument every week. And that's to show you different kind of things that we trade. And we think it's going to be really, really, really fun for people. And you're going to love it. And you're going to get addicted to it. And you're going to join pulsewavetrading.com because that's what is supposed to happen. Okay, so here's how you do it. You go to pulsewavetrading.com, click on free membership, and email and password. That's it. Once you put in that email password, you'll go to a welcome page, probably with another video from me, and then you'll end up on your member dashboard. And from that point on, anytime you go to pulsewavetrading.com, you click on dashboard or log in this upper right-hand corner. If you're logged in, it'll just say dashboard. And it'll bring you to this page, which will probably look a little different by the time you see it because I'm going to update it once I finish this video. But here's what we're doing. Every week, we're going to trade a different instrument. This week, it's Litecoin Bitcoin. So it's LTC/BTC. And the idea of that is you start out with some Bitcoin, and if the trade order triggers, if the stop order triggers, you get into Litecoin. If it goes up, you can then sell it at a higher price. And what happens at the end of the week or the end of the trade? You end up with more Bitcoin. That's the goal. That's the goal of trading Litecoin Bitcoin. Okay. If it were a trade of Litecoin dollars, your goal would be to buy it for a certain amount of dollars and then sell it for more dollars later on. Or if, excuse me, you are, that's a cough button. If you're trading, if you have the ability to short cryptos, as some people do using things like Kraken and things like that, depending on what state or country you live in, you could short a particular crypto using the price triggers, and if it goes down, you can make money. For this trade, we're going to be very simple. The only way we're going to make any gains on this one is if it goes up. Okay, so if the value of Litecoin increases over Bitcoin, and that only if the price trigger is hit. So the purpose of these free trigger trades is so you can experience it, and please do not risk any money you can't afford to lose. That's what we call risk capital. This is for fun. It shouldn't stress you out. This is not supposed to be gambling. Don't use your rent money. But if you've got a few dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to play with, then this could be a fun thing for you. So you'll end up on this dashboard, and you'll be able to join our PulseWave free Slack. That's a separate Slack chat from the one our premium members have. And of course, you follow us on Twitter. Now, why would you do that? Because when I update this page, I'm going to update those two places and tell people to go check it out here and give them the link and stuff like that. So that's why you want to be involved in both of those. Of course, both are free and fun. Plus, there's going to be cool people there because only cool people are interested in pulse waves. Okay, so that's something that you want to do. Now, let's get into it. This is our first one. We're starting on Wednesday, so we don't have a ton of time. I wish we had done two things that I trade already, which are BNB and ETH, because those are already in profit from what I understand at the moment. So Litecoin did not trigger yet, which means we can still do it. So right above this video, you're going to see a buy trigger and a sell trigger. So for our purposes, we're going to go, oh, here's what you need. Free membership at pulsewavetrading.com. I showed you that. You're going to need some Bitcoin. You're going to need, I'm using qcoin.com. I live in New York, and so my access to exchanges is very restricted. Binance would be great if you have it. Kraken is great. Poloniex is great. Lots of different exchanges that you could use that will fit for this. Need access to our PulseWave free Slack account, which I showed you where the link is on your free member dashboard. And access to our Twitter helps as well. at least this free Slack. You can get the Slack app on your phone, and you'll get updates. Okay. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over to qcoin.com, and I'm already logged in, and I have Litecoin Bitcoin pair. I have that up right now, right there. Okay. So here it is, and we're gonna grab this buy trigger. I'm gonna copy that. Okay. That's our buy trigger. And the idea is, if Litecoin hits this price in Satoshis, in Bitcoin, then we're going to buy some. And hopefully it's going to go up. And then we're going to set a stop loss in profit. I'm going to show you how to do all this stuff. Set a stop loss in profit. And what will be the end result? We'll end up with more Bitcoin than we had before. So I go over to the right here. I copied my price trigger right there. It's on my... For those of you who don't know how to use keyboard shortcuts, which are most people, copy. That's how you do it. Not trying to be a jerk. I like keyboard shortcuts, so I never do that on screen. I'm going to go over here. You see it says LTC, Bitcoin, buy, sell. And I'm going to click on this thing that says stop market, and I'm going to click stop limit right there. Stop limit. And paste the price in the stop price, and I'm going to paste the price in the price, where it just says price. All right. So again, if you're a full member of PulseWave Trading, I give you detailed video. I explain everything I'm doing. For these quick trades, I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing and tell you what to do. So I put my stop price in as it was, as it's listed there as our buy trigger. That's the only thing we're using right now is the buy trigger. Okay. And I'm putting it right in there. And so I'm going to take the price. Right now, the stop price and the price are both the same. And here's what that means. If the market hits this stop price, it'll buy me some Litecoin at the price. Okay, so if it hits the stop price, if it goes up to about here, yeah, it's about, let's see, it's actually a little higher. It's about here. If it hits about here, I keep doing it wrong. Let's see, 746. About there. If it hits about there, which is a ways to go, okay, it would have to have a nice rally for it to hit that. If it hits that, it'll trigger this order to buy at that price. Right now, I'm not buying anything. I'm saying to the market, if it hits that price, buy it. So what I want to do is give myself a little bit of room so that if it goes over that price quick, like if it just jumps up, I want to give it a little room to get there. So I'm going to add here, instead of the number ending in 6.5, I'm going to end it in 7.0. Just a little higher from where I actually was. And then amount, for me, I'm going to do like 2.5 Litecoin. I want to get in. If it hits that price, I'm going to risk 2.5 Litecoin. So for you, if you're trading with $50, you know, do the minimum trade, whatever it is, like $10 or whatever, or whatever. Not financial advice, just saying. Just saying. We always leg into trades. That's actually a lot that I'm doing on this trade. But I just want to make it fun. Don't risk anything that will stress you out if you lose it, let alone not be able to afford it. And if I click buy LTC, it's going to place my buy order. My stop limit buy. And now it's going to show up down here. And I can see the price. That's the stop price. That's the actual price. And we're good to go. So that's it. We've placed our order. Now, here's what comes next. Again, this hasn't triggered yet. You see it's an order, but it's not filled, okay? When it fills, I will update on the free membership dashboard and in our Slack and on our Twitter. I will update what my stop loss is going to be. The stop loss will be a sell stop limit order that I place right here. It's kind of like the reverse of what I just did. And so when that happens, I'll update on the blog, and I'll put it there. Let's say I'm sleeping, and it gets triggered, and all of a sudden you got a green bar up here, and you're so excited, and you're freaking out. What can you do? Well, just set yourself a stop that's in profit. That's higher than what you something higher than what you paid for it. That's not always the best thing to do, but if you're worried about it, that's, you know, why not? Right? And then if it at worst you broke even. So that's just an idea for you. That's what I would do. So thanks for watching. Future updates on this trade will be on the member dashboard at pulsewavetrading.com under the free membership. Of course, if you're a full member at pulsewavetrading.com, you've got access to 3,000 price triggers. You've got access to the pop method, so you know how to place your stop orders without any help from me because we teach you how to do it. That's a tool that we give all our members. You have access to me, Dex, our moderator, our whole team, and the whole Pulse Wave Trading community of people who know how to do this stuff. So you don't need this. You have a lot more accessible to you. But if you're not a member and you're thinking about it, this is a cool thing. You can see, you can get a feel for how the price triggers work. Best thing for you to do is immediately stop fooling around, upgrade to a starter or pro membership at pulsewavetrading.com and get access to our full educational library and all of our price trigger reports. All right. So I'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. And Dex and I will be live looking at the market together really soon, giving an update for anybody who's waiting. That's coming soon. All right. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.